Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial how to get free Instagram followers and likes. Oh, as you can see, I just got two new followers and they're just going. So yeah, I have like 6 followers, and I'm going to show you a quick way how to get them. So yeah, first of all, you'll need just a Instagram account. You don't need something to download, you don't need to do surveys or something. So yeah, you type in users any popular Instagram account that has like more than millions of followers. So yeah, and then you type them, just follow them. Like Justin Bieber, I'm going to follow him, unfollow him, and unfollow. Do the same with Miley, unfollow and follow. And with Instagram. You can do it with many accounts. I'm doing it with 3 accounts, so yeah. So you do it again, unfollow and follow them. And yeah, don't do it too fast, because I'll tell you why later, but just you can don't be so fast, just unfollow, follow, unfollow, follow. And I'm going to tell you how this is working. So as you can see, this account is very popular. It has like more than millions of followers. So then you unfollow it and follow one new follower, as you can see. You're going to be on the top of this list. And there are some people, I don't know why they're doing this, but there are people who are going on this list and follow every person who is on top. They maybe think that they are going to follow them back. So if you're going to unfollow, 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 and follow, unfollow, and follow all these accounts, you are going to have new followers. As you can see, 19 seconds later, before, sorry, I'm dizzy. So as you can see, before I have like 6 or 4, I don't remember. Now I have like 7 followers, 1 more. So I think that you understand how you need to get your followers, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment this video. I would appreciate this. This is my first video on this new channel, so thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy. Bye.